Welcome to the Gem Studio, where creativity meets craftsmanship. We're not just a jewelry store. We're a unique hands-on experience that allows people to create their own custom jewelry while connecting with others. And now, we're giving you the opportunity to bring this exciting, profitable experience to your community as a Gem Studio franchisee.
Gem Studio started out of a shed in Matt James's backyard. He's our founder. He was wanting to be able to afford to help with his humanitarian work and ended up it becoming something that was bigger than he even imagined.
As a Gem Studio franchisee, you'll offer your community a one-of-a-kind experiential jewelry making opportunity. Our workshops invite customers to create their own rings, bracelets, necklaces, keychains, and even pet tags. Whether they're crafting a personal keepsake or making jewelry as a fun activity with friends or family, our hands-on approach leaves a lasting impression. As a franchisee, you'll tap into a growing demand for unique, hands-on experiences. Our model combines retail with immersive experiences, creating a brand that customers love. It's all about creating memories as much as it is about crafting jewelry. And this connection brings customers back again and again.
When a customer comes in, if they're choosing to do a charm workshop, they're able to pick as many or as little charms as they would like to add onto their piece. Then they'll sit down and we'll start teaching them how to apply the charms onto the metal that they're wanting to make. With our silversmithing workshops, the customers first start by choosing a gemstone that they like. We have a wide variety of different semi-precious gemstones that they can choose from. And then we're able to show them a different variety of bezels and details that we can add onto their piece as well. Customers coming in for our permanent jewelry workshop, we'll lead them over to our micro welder machine where we'll have a bunch of different chain options, and that's when we'll sit them down and be able to permanently weld it onto their wrist, or if they even wanted to do a necklace or anklet or even body chains, we offer as well.
Our business model is built for profitability. With multiple revenue streams, workshops, private events, and special promotions, you'll have plenty of drive new and returning customers to your studio. We created a low-cost build-out with a flexible, adaptable store layout that's perfect for a variety of locations. Whether you're in a bustling city or a small town, Gem Studio can fit right in.
Favorite part about working at Gem Studio, definitely the people and the amount of people that you get in the same day. Just you can have different faces, different pieces, everything being different keeps everything new, keeps it all fresh.
Our team is probably the most important and vital part of Gem Studio. They're the ones that have those customer-facing interactions. So we make sure that they are supported in every sort of way because they're the ones at the end of the day that are going to be making these lasting connections and relationships with the customers.
Launching a Gem Studio franchise means more than just opening a business. We provide you with everything you need to succeed, from comprehensive training and ongoing support to a proven marketing system. We ensure that you're set up for success from day one. Now it's your turn to join the Gem Studio family. With a proven business model, a growing brand, and an immersive customer experience that people love, the opportunity to own your own Gem Studio franchise is within reach. Start your journey today and become one of the fastest growing jewelry workshop businesses in North America. Gem Studio, a gem of a business. Start your franchise today.